Hello, this is the picture we will be working on, and the first thing I will do will be to select all around the edges and remove the background from this little dog. Once I have done this, I will invert the selection and hit the back with the back key, and it removes the background. I'll just tidy up around the edge before we start. Now I choose on my Artrage app, I choose Harsh Chaos, but you can choose whatever smudge tool you feel works best for you. I usually work from the outside in, and I don't touch the eyes at this, just to tidy up a little bit if I smudge them. I do smudge the nose, however, and the mouth. I sometimes have to redraw the mouth and just go over with the smudge tool very carefully, which I will do on this one. When this is done, I then start thinking about what colour background I want, and I'm using my gradients on this. The first one we will find is a pinky colour. They all look very nice, it's hard to choose, but I settle for this one, the blue. And then I'll add a photo so you can make a comparison. And as the slide says, thank you for watching and consider subscribing. Bye for now.